you how to make this birthday card. This is an insert card, and it's really fun, and it's super easy, especially if you are using the new Cricut card mat. So this is the Cricut card mat 2x2. You would use this with any of the Explore or Maker machines. There's also a Cricut card mat for the Cricut Joy. So you can make this project on any Cricut machine, and I'm going to teach you not only how to make the card itself, but I'm going to teach you how to use your Cricut machine to write on the inside. So I'm going to teach you how to set things up so that it will write with your Cricut machine, and how to find writing fonts. So let's just jump into Design Space and I'll show you where I found all these things. Okay, we're here in Design Space. Let's go ahead and look at what project that we're going to make. I'm going to go ahead and select projects here. And then I'm going to, on my categories, I'm going to drop down to cards. And I am going to search birthday. I need a birthday card for this week. And then let's just look through really quick. I have a few different options. I want one that gives me the ability to customize. So let's see if this one that just says happy birthday, it's cute, gives me the ability to customize. It does. So I can select my finish size here, and then I can come over here and select customize. So now that I've done that, what it's going to do is it's going to stick it here on my canvas. So now I have this. If I wanted to go through and contour, do anything, I could do that here. But I want to use this. I don't want to change the card itself. What I want to do is I want to be able to add text to the inside. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come here to text, and I am just going to add some text. But before I do that, I need to make some changes. So if I were to say, let's go ahead and change this. So we'll just start here. So we have my niece's name. It says Jana. Now, if I click on here, up here, it has the operation as a basic cut. Now, if I just change this here to a pen drawing, this is when you end up with the outline type writing. The reason it does this is because right now, this is a like a cut file. So what's happening is that the pen is just following the cut lines. So that's what's happening here. That's why you get that bubble, and that's why the Cricut can't fill it in, because it's following the cut line. It's just following where the blade would go. So to get around that, what we need to do is we need to change our operation here to pen, and then we need to find a font that has a writing style. So I'm going to come here to fonts. I'm going to click on the drop down. You can see that I'm here in Cricut. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here to filters, and then I'm going to select writing. So this is now only going to show me the fonts that have a writing style. So I can just go through these really quick. I can look and see like which ones I think look cute. Let's just go ahead. I want something kind of simple.